Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So viewers, I hope you're fine. I'm also fine. In this video, I'm gonna show different types of colorful and stylish pebbles, bird home decoration ideas, pebbles, different animals, home decoration, pebbles frame, different flowers, stones, trees, stone home decoration, wall decoration, and etc. And it's very classic and amazing ideas. We can make easily at home different types of amazing beautiful pebbles, trees, different pebbles, wall decoration, home decoration, and etc. And I hope you like it. And you like it, viewers, so please like my video, share my video, and subscribe my YouTube channel. Press the bell icon, viewers. Allah Hafiz, take care, bye, see you soon.